Hi there and welcome back to Hugo House. Today, we're going to stay in the world-famous Tiny Firehouse in Georgia, United States. You'll want to take a look inside this unique tiny house on wheels located in Eatonton, Georgia, United States. The world-famous Tiny Firehouse has been on HGTV, Today, DIY Network, and The Racial Ratio, and more. The stunning tiny house can accommodate up to 2 guests, with 1 bedroom, 1 bed, and 1 bathroom. During your vacation stay, you'll have the entire tiny house to yourself. You'll love the beautifully decorated tiny house design inside and out. The tiny house has plenty of windows to let in the natural light and surrounding views, along with a skylight in the upper loft to look at the stars while you're falling asleep. The secret garden is a hidden space tucked away on a 16-acre tiny house homestead and stay. The tiny house has been seen on HGTV, Today, and more, and the home honors firefighters and the on-scene frontline responders. This off-grid 8.5-foot by 16-foot tiny house is luxurious and cozy. The tiny house has no Wi-Fi or cell services. Cell phone service is not that great at the tiny house rental unless you have AT&T. The tiny house has air conditioning, heat, a mini fridge, a cooktop, a sleeping loft, and a slide pole. It is powered by a Honda silent generator, with shore power coming soon. There is a 5-gallon water tank that is filled daily for your daily essentials, such as cleaning, washing dishes, etc. Currently, there is no water hookup inside the tiny house. However, there will be an update coming soon. During your vacation stay, you'll have access to a full bathroom, shower, toilet in the main community house. You'll want to note that you'll need to climb a ladder to access the bed in the loft. If this is a problem for you, it may not be the vacation rental for you. The tiny home has basic cooking essentials such as pots, pans, and utensils that will be available. During your vacation stay, you can relax in a cozy full-sized bed with bedding and towels provided. There is a community fire pit with seating that is located near the Tiny Firehouse. You will also have access to kayak and canoe rentals at an additional fee. There is also more special that you can add at an additional fee to cook up at the campfire. Guests to the tiny house have access to the 16-acre property, which is mostly wooded. There is a creek running through the vacation property, so you can take a hike through the woods, see deer and wildlife. The vacation property also has a community house with a living room, dining room, full-sized kitchen, laundry room, and full bathroom. You'll want to note that there is a designated parking area for guests. Vehicles are not allowed beyond the red gate into the secret garden. There is guest parking that is available in the designated area. Parking is only a short walk from the tiny house. The vacation property is located in the woods, so you are likely to come across various critters, so you'll want to be more comfortable with insects and wildlife. Deer often visit in the morning and are constantly walking around at night. Thank you for watching this video, and please do drop a like because it would really help our channel grow. Also, subscribe to our channel. We'll be featuring different houses every single day, from local homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and to other inspiring home ideas.